Hi everybody, welcome to Chef's Corner. My name is Chef Kuldeep from California Pizza Kitchen, Velachery, Chennai. Today we are making Tijuana chicken pizza. We need a pre-baked thin crust dough, Albuquerque sauce, mozzarella cheese, sliced chicken, grilled onions, jalapenos and hand-toned cilantro. To begin with, we need the pre-baked thin crust dough first. On this dough, we spread the Albuquerque sauce, about 30 ml. After which we shall put mozzarella cheese, put some grilled onions, and then we'll add the sliced chicken marinated in Albuquerque sauce. Add the sliced jalapenos on the pizza. Now the pizza is ready to be baked. We need to bake this pizza for 4 to 5 minutes at 280 degrees centigrade. Garnish with hand-toned cilantro. So the Tijuana chicken pizza is ready. Enjoy your pizza.